Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have got one of the best videos. That is, we are going to enter the presidential suite of Taj Santacruz Hotel that is located in Mumbai. Where royalty meets luxury. Let's get in and see. Wow, that's mind-blowing. As soon as we enter, there is a bar counter out over here that is well decorated. If we see it from a side view, this is how it looks like. It can be used like a bar counter or even evening dining counter for snacks and stuff like that. Here, where they have kept two chairs of royalty. If we move forward, we can see there's a dining cum meeting area out there. There are few pictures that are beautifully painted. I don't think you can feel that is a painting. It really looks like some photograph out there. This is the center of attraction of the room. See how royal it looks like. They can have a meeting out here or even dining with the family. When we move forward, there's a beautiful place out here. Let's turn back and see, in between there is a place out here. You can store something here, and this also has a beautiful paintings. Let's see far view of the place that we saw and came. Isn't that amazing? We missed out a right side of place. It looks like a royal lounge out here. You can enjoy here. Wait, are you able to see outside the window? Are you wondering what it is? Yes, you were right. That is an airport. Since this hotel is located near the airport, or you say in the compound of airport, this room especially has 360-degree view of the airport. That's simply mind-blowing. Wow. When we move forward, just in opposite, there's a royal seating out here that is peaceful and yet elegant. This place also looks really nice, and there we can find some books out there. When we move forward, that is also a view. As I told, we have 360-degree view of the airport. Here it is a runway. Look what we spot. There was a plane that took off. Isn't that superb to see such things? That too from a place where you're going to live. When we get in, there's a place out here. In the left side, what we saw, there's a place out there is the entry of a room. Let's get in and see how the room looks like. When we are entering, before we see the bed and the room, let's go and see how the bathtub and the royal bathroom looks like. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? There's a bathtub that has an airport view. The thing that we are seeing out there is an airport view. This is the airport. This is a domestic airport out here. Let's see what is inside. It is a shower room. And this is the bathroom. Inside, as we enter, there is another bathroom, wash area and shower room. In the same place, we have two sets. One is outside and one is inside. This is also elegant and marble finished. Oh my god, this looks really nice. This is a dressing room with wardrobes out here. We can take hours and hours to get ready if such a beautiful place to get ready is there, isn't it? After seeing this beautiful place, let's see what is out here. We have to see the royal bedroom. We have the bed out here and we have a seating area with a television out there, and the finishing of the room is simply superb. There's another entry. When we come out, we can see some seating area, and here is the pantry where kitchen and pantry is there together. When we move on, this is the second bedroom. The chandeliers out here are the main attraction. They're giving look to the rooms. We'll go in and see there is a second bathroom for this bedroom and bathtub. And when we come out, here we can see there is the wardrobes out here. And not only that, there is another view also here. You can see the Taj Hotel from the side view, and we can see the airport and the runway from here. We can see the flights moving. Inside there is an airport, there's a garden. The views are also simply amazing. All at the same time. As we can see planes moving, cars moving into the domestic airport, and the beautiful view of the Taj Hotel. As we move and come outside there's a separate bathroom. Towards the left side and the right side is the wash area and the makeup area. This is separate and it is there in the main hall. That's all guys for today. Hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.